Going to share you the inside secrets on how real estate agent and loan agents can start making serious money right now. The reason many real estate people and loan agents don't make enough money is there were no enough deals. This was the problem. But even when enough deals were there, the commission amount decided by the client was not very lucrative because you have taken a very general deal where there is a high competition, so you can't ask for more price. So you accept a very low commission, which is equal to low margin, which is equal to low profit. Now the problem is you work all over the month, but you don't make enough money. So this is very painful. I have a solution for it. Do you want a solution for this not money making problem? Yes. Let me tell you, if you continue doing what you do, you will get only what you have got. So, but if you want a different result, you need to put a different cost. So you need to act differently. But before I reveal this money idea, if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button. Don't skip this video. Watch this video until end so that you will not miss out any valuable information. The secrets for you to make highest profits in general deals are very low. So what you need to do is you need to look for a specific deal. So in the specific deal, the client does not have a upper hand because you have an upper hand. In general deal, the client has got an upper hand because the deal is general. There are so many mediators that can do for him. So now how to find the specific deal? The strategy for you is to look for a high value client who has got pressing problems. We call this bleeding neck problem, which you can solve. When you are the only person who can solve that person, the client has to depend on you. The more he depend on you to solve the problem, the more the deal will be on your side. One of that opportunity is one-way property. One-way property is a property which does not have a litigation, and the one-way property is a litigation free property. But mediators in the market has spoiled the value of the property by over circulating the property profile. The property profile is so familiar in the market. Everybody is aware of the property, but the sales potential of the property has gone low due to bad mouthing of the low profile mediators. Now, due to that, the owner of the property is in distress and the owner of the property wants to cash out immediately. He wants to sell this for his own reasons and the family reason. Now, the property offer price has to be lower than the market price, which has to be only 30 to 40% of the market value. But still, he don't have the buyers. When the client has reached that kind of situation, now this is the time you need to start for the bargain. But when you need to when you find out the properties in this kind of strategy, there are chances that you can cash out. You can say this is a one-way property, distress sale, something like that. So now where to go and find the buyer? So whether you are going to sell this off or you are going to find a financier who can cash the property. So I'm a super specialist in handling in this kind of area. The good news for you is you can go through the deal, and this is a high value deal. What you have to do is you have to send your name, your location of the property market value, and what is the current price and what is the discount you are offering. You can WhatsApp all these details to 730-544-9995. You will get the tailor-made offer of this deal. Hope this video is very informative, so you can maximize your earnings and achieve financial success by subscribing this channel, and press your like button and comment and share this to your friends. So congratulations, if you have watched up to this level, you require a knowledge bonus. See my video under this video on how to uncover the ultimate money secrets in the description below of this video. See you, bye. Thanks for watching.